Answer. Please answer the question on the board. Ask. I will ask my teacher for help with this problem. Basketball. We play basketball in the sports hall. We've got basketball teams for boys and girls. Boys. We've got basketball teams for boys and girls. Cake. I like my cake. Changing. This is the changing room and these are our lockers. Chess. People can play chess in our games room. Climbing. Climbing looks dangerous, but it isn't. Club. This is our sports club. It's great. Colors. Their colors are blue and red. Dangerous. Climbing looks dangerous, but it isn't. Exciting. They are usually very exciting. Fast. Some are very fast. Football. We've got a football pitch. We've got a great team. Friend. I'm going to meet my friend at the cafe later. Girls. We've got basketball teams for boys and girls. Grammar. I need to study English grammar for my test. Helmets. We wear helmets and we have ropes. Karate. Karate is a very popular sport. Lessons. You can take lessons. Like. I like to play tennis in my free time. Likes. She likes to go for a run every morning. Listening. The students are practicing their English listening skills in the classroom. Look. Look at the beautiful sunset. Machine. We all like the swimming pool. It's got a wave machine and there's a very big water slide. Parents. Our parents like to come and watch the games, too. People. Lots of people like to run there in the morning or evening. Ropes. We wear helmets and we have ropes. Safe. It's really quite safe. Skates. We have a vending machine that sells snacks like chips and candy. Snacks. We have a vending machine that sells snacks like chips and candy. Sports. What sports do we like? Can you guess? Swimming. We all like the swimming pool. It's got a wave machine and there's a very big water slide. Talk. Let's talk about our plans for the weekend. Teams. We've got basketball teams for boys and girls. Tennis. Tennis is very popular. Wall. This is a great climbing wall. Wave. We all like the swimming pool. It's got a wave machine and there's a very big water slide. Write. I need to write a report for work. Club. She is a member of the drama club at school. Listen. Please listen carefully to the instructions before starting the test. Write. Don't forget to write your name at the top of the page. Name. What's the name of your favorite book? Tick. Tick the correct answer on the multiple choice question paper. Swimming. She goes swimming at the pool every Saturday morning. Karate. He has been practicing karate for 5 years. Basketball. We won the basketball game last night. Football. He's a huge fan of football and supports his favorite team. Tennis. We're planning to play tennis at the local court this afternoon. Running. Running is a great way to stay fit and healthy. Climbing. The group is going rock climbing next weekend. Chess. Let's play a game of chess this evening. Sing. She loves to sing and often performs at local events. Kangaroos. Kangaroos are known for their hopping ability. Hop. The rabbit began to hop around the garden. Zebras. Zebras have distinctive black and white stripes. Run. She likes to run every morning before starting her day. Horses. Horses are often used for racing and transportation. Trot. The horse began to trot along the path. Panthers. Panthers are strong and agile big cats. Pounce. Cats often pounce on their toys while playing. Geese. The geese flew south for the winter. Fly. Birds have the ability to fly in the sky. Squirrels. Squirrels can jump from tree to tree with ease. Jump. He can jump very high during his basketball games. Sun. They're enjoying the warm sun at the beach. Gaze. She likes to gaze at the stars on clear nights. Sky. The birds fly freely in the open sky. Focus. She needs to focus on her studies for the upcoming exam. Detail. The artist painted the scene with incredible detail. Leon Rosselson. Leon Rosselson is known for his folk music and songwriting. Phonics. Phonics is an important aspect of early language learning. Listen. Please listen carefully to the instructions before you begin. Read. I enjoy spending time reading different books. Like. She likes to play the piano in her free time. Kite. The children are flying a kite at the park. Skates. He loves to skate at the ice rink. Flute. She plays the flute in the school band. Cake. The birthday cake was beautifully decorated. Bone. The dog buried his bone in the backyard. Phone. She always carries her phone with her. Say. Can you say the alphabet out loud? Sounds. The sounds of the birds chirping are so peaceful. Words. Learning new words every day is essential. Fly. The birds fly high in the sky. Play. The children play in the playground every afternoon. Tick. Tick the correct answers in the test. Talk. She loves to talk to her friends on the phone. Zoom. The car will zoom past the finish line. Sports club. They joined the local sports club to engage in various activities. Palm. The beach had many palm trees offering shade from the sun. Tree. The apple tree in the garden produced delicious fruit every autumn. Center. The community center offers various programs for people of all ages. Open. The store is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. Swim. I learned how to swim at the local swimming pool. Swimming pool. The hotel has a stunning swimming pool overlooking the sea. Super. The superhero movie was filled with superhuman abilities and action. Water slide. The water slide at the amusement park was thrilling and fast. Tennis. She practices tennis every morning to improve her skills. Outdoor. The outdoor seating area of the restaurant was beautiful in the evening. Basketball. He's a fan of basketball and often watches the matches. Soccer. In some countries, soccer is referred to as football. Judo. She attends judo classes to learn self-defense techniques. Climbing. They enjoyed rock climbing during their adventure trip. Lessons. She takes piano lessons on Saturdays at the music school. Teachers. The teachers at the school are highly qualified and experienced. Ocean Drive. The hotel was located at Ocean Drive, overlooking the sea. Telephone. Please give me a call on my telephone if you need any help. Address. Can you give me the address of the new restaurant in town? Email. I received an important email from my boss this morning. Times. The store's opening times are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Writing. I enjoy writing stories in my free time. Focus. Let's focus on finishing this project before the deadline. Filling. She was responsible for filling in the report details accurately. Fact. The statement made by the witness is considered a crucial fact. Revision. Before the exam, she did a thorough revision of her notes. Picture. The picture hanging on the wall was a beautiful landscape. Sports. He enjoys playing various sports like basketball, football, and tennis. Favorite. Her favorite color is blue. Listen. Please listen carefully to the instructions before you begin. Read. I enjoy spending time reading different books. Say. Can you say the alphabet out loud? Chocolate. She loves to eat chocolate ice cream in the summer. Ice cream. The ice cream shop had a wide variety of flavors. Color. Her dress was a beautiful shade of red. T-shirt. He wore a blue t-shirt at the picnic. Bikes. There are many bikes parked outside the shop. Sam. Sam is known for his exceptional singing talent. Hill. The house was located on top of a steep hill. Weather. The weather was sunny and pleasant today. Cold. She wrapped herself in a warm coat as it was very cold outside. Hat. She wore a red hat to match her outfit. Basketball. They enjoy playing basketball after school. Sports day. The school organized a fun sports day for the students. Park. They went for a picnic in the park last Sunday. People. The people in the community are friendly and welcoming. Running. Running helps her stay fit and healthy. Track. He's a sprinter and practices on the running track every morning. Water. Please drink water to stay hydrated. Boys. The boys played football in the park. Jackets. They wore jackets to keep warm in the cold weather. Trousers. She bought a pair of blue trousers at the store. Kicking. He was kicking the ball with great force. Shouting. She was shouting loudly to be heard over the crowd. Ball. The kids were playing with a colorful ball in the yard. Net. He shot the ball into the net, scoring a goal. Jumping. The children were jumping around with joy. Tall. The tall building stood out among the others in the city. Fast. She ran very fast and won the race. Small. The small kitten was adorable and playful. Players. The soccer team has 11 players on the field. Game. They played a board game on their family game night. Boys. The boys played in the park all afternoon. Bikes. They rode their bikes to the park. Hills. The hikers climbed the hills to reach the mountaintop. Water. They went swimming in the clear blue water. Number. What is your favorite number? 3. He counted to 3 before starting the race. Going. She's going to the store to buy groceries. Listen. Please listen carefully to the teacher's instructions. Point. She used her finger to point at the correct answer. Act. The actors will act out the scene in today's rehearsal. Story. She read a bedtime story to her little brother. Chant. The crowd started chanting the team's name at the game. Bee. The bee buzzed around the garden in search of flowers. Tree. The apple tree in the garden produced delicious fruit every year. Kite. The children were flying a colorful kite in the park. Room. She cleaned her room and organized her books. Cube. The teacher showed a cube during the geometry class. Tube. The toothpaste was squeezed from the tube. Phone. He answered the phone when it rang. Moon. They observed the moon through a telescope. Chocolate. She loves to eat chocolate ice cream on hot days. Ice cream. The ice cream shop had a variety of flavors to choose from. Buying. She was buying groceries from the store. Eating. They were eating dinner at the restaurant. Favorite. His favorite color is green. Unit. They completed a unit on biology in their science class. Senses. Our 5 senses include sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. Touch. You can touch and feel with your hands. Feel. She could feel the softness of the blanket. Hands. He washed his hands before eating dinner. Soft. The pillow felt soft and comfortable. Hard. The rock was hard and difficult to break. Hot. Be careful, the soup is very hot. Cold. She wrapped herself in a warm blanket as it was cold outside. Horse. The beautiful horse galloped across the field. Kitten. The kitten played with a ball of yarn. Stone. The stone skipped across the surface of the water. Hear. You can hear with your ears. Ears. She covered her ears when the music was too loud. Sounds. The sounds of the birds chirping in the morning were delightful. Loud. The fireworks were very loud. Quiet. The library is a quiet place for reading. Beautiful. The sunset painted a beautiful picture in the sky. Phone. The phone rang loudly. Fire. The crackling fire provided warmth on the cold night. Snow. The children played in the snow during the winter. Music. She enjoys listening to classical music. Birds. The singing of birds in the garden was pleasant. Cars. The car zoomed past on the highway. Shush. The librarian said, shush, to keep the library quiet. Sight. She had perfect sight and never needed glasses. Smell. You can smell with your nose. Taste. You can taste with your tongue. Tongue. The taste of the food was delightful on her tongue. Nice. The roses had a nice fragrance. Nasty. The rotten eggs had a nasty smell. Apple. She bit into the juicy apple. Ice cream. The children enjoyed eating ice cream on a hot day. Fruit. She loves eating fresh fruit for breakfast. Nose. She wrinkled her nose at the pungent smell. Flowers. The garden was filled with colorful flowers. Lemons. The fresh lemons gave off a strong citrus scent. Pepper. The pepper had a pungent smell. Food. The food in the kitchen smelled delicious. Socks. The dirty socks emitted a foul odor. Smoke. The smoke from the fire filled the room. See. You can see with your eyes. Eyes. Her eyes sparkled with joy. Daytime. They played in the park during the daytime. Colors. The artist mixed different colors to create a beautiful painting. Beautiful. The sunset was a beautiful sight. Ugly. The graffiti on the wall looked ugly. Children. The children played happily in the park. Butterfly. The colorful butterfly fluttered in the garden. Rainbow. The rainbow appeared after the rain. Rubbish. The rubbish bin emitted a foul smell. Monster. The children read a story about a scary monster.